guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite lasagna soup. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, to our Dutch oven or pot, we're going to be adding a little bit of oil. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, add 1 small onion and 1 small red bell pepper. Now we're just going to saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley and basil, along with 4 minced scarlet cloves. Mix it and allow it to saute for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add the ground beef, along with all of the spices. Break it down and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. So here you can remove any excess fat from the meat. And now we're just going to add our 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix it in. Once that's mixed, add the diced tomatoes, along with the tomato sauce and 6 cups of beef broth. Just going to mix it. Okay, now just bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, remove the top layer of the broth. Now here you're also going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But now we're going to add our calabacita along with our broken lasagna noodles. So just mix it in. Reduce the heat to medium and allow it to continue simmering for 10 minutes or until our noodles are nice and tender. Alrighty guys, and once our noodles are nice and tender, our lasagna soup is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, and I already have my ricotta cheese in my bowl. So now we can grab our soup. Now we can get ready to top it. And I'm just going to top it with some Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, along with some fresh parsley and basil. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, it's quick, and so comforting, especially for this time of year. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I am so ready. It's hot. Okay. So cheers and enjoy. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Seriously, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home, my super easy and delicious lasagna soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.